want it.
I'm having so much fun with Dance Workshop. It's like a whole nother side of it to be a co-chair, but I really love it so much. It's great to be more involved and like see the whole thing come to life.
Yeah, I've loved being in Dance Workshop. Definitely, I joined Dance Workshop my freshman year, and my first dance was such a fun piece, and the choreographer really built such a great community. And since then, I've loved being a part of it and getting to build those communities.
God, my favorite part about the Dance Workshop experience is getting to meet new people and getting to bond over something that I'd never really get to bond with these people over. You just get to meet so many new friends and have so much fun.
The audition process is really chill. Like, there's people there who have never danced before, and everyone's just doing their best and having fun. And that's really what all of Dance Workshop is about. So I feel like don't be intimidated by it. You just come in, you learn a combo, but everyone's gonna get into a dance, so you don't have to worry. It's just so that choreographers can see where everyone's at with their dance experience.
The dance workshop process was honestly really fun. It was really fast paced and didn't really give me any time to be nervous, which was good. I was nervous going in, but it was a really fun environment.
I'm most looking forward to, honestly, tech is so fun. We get to all be in the big Armstrong Theater and just have fun with our friends.
I'm looking forward to seeing everyone else's dances and also just being on stage.
It's like we have 5 shows in a row because all of the dancers are in the auditorium, and we do all the dances, and there's so much cheering and hollering, and it's such a nice environment.
I want it.